everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Chandni. I hope you guys are doing great. So first of all, I would like to tell you guys that we are about to hit 1k subscribers, and this has been a dream for me since I was 16 and I just turned 20. So yeah, we are almost a family of 1k, and I just want to tell you guys that I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for you all, and I have so much love for you all for subscribing to my channel. And now we are a big family of 1k, almost 1k, and yeah, that's the big news. Now I have a huge family on YouTube as well, and I'm so grateful. So alright, for today's video I'll be actually showing you all what I carry inside my day-to-day bag. So I have a video on YouTube where I showed you all what's inside my college bag, but I haven't showed you all what's inside my day-to-day bag. This is the bag that I carry for my day-to-day use. If I have to go to the salon, to get my nails done, to hang out with my friends. So I'll be showing you what all I carry inside my day-to-day bag. So my bags keep changing according to my outfits, but the stuff inside the bags remains the same. I keep switching up some stuff here and there, but the stuff remains the same, and the bag actually changes according to my outfit. But recently I've been obsessed with this bag, which is from Coach, and it is a very simple yet elegant bag from Coach, and this season I've been using this Coach bag a lot. And now, before getting into the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into the video. Okay, I'll come closer now to show you all the stuff. The first thing inside my bag is this hand cream from Bath and Body Works in the flavor Champagne Toast. I really like to keep my hands moisturized always, so I have hand creams always inside my bag. I really like sanitizers and hand creams from Bath and Body Works. I keep changing the flavors, but currently I've been using the Champagne Toast one. So this is the first thing inside my bag. Secondly, I have this Japanese Cherry Blossom hand sanitizer. I really like sanitizers from Bath and Body Works. They are super handy, and also the packaging is so cute and they smell good always. And this is in the flavor Japanese Cherry Blossom. The next thing inside my bag is actually my wallet from Victoria's Secret. This is such a pretty wallet, you guys. This is super handy and so cute. So earlier I had this wallet from MK, but it was too huge to carry everywhere. So I thought of finally getting a small one so that it's more easier for me to carry. And I was confused between this one and the Coach wallet, but then I decided to go with this one because I think this is such a pretty and cute wallet. And yeah, I'm in love with this wallet. This is how it looks, and it has Victoria's Secret written over here. So all my credit card, debit card, cash, and other important things are inside this wallet. So the next thing inside my bag are my AirPods, and this is how they look, and the cover is so cute. It has this cute keychain as well. This looks absolutely stunning, you guys. I'm in love with this case, and this is how it looks. Then I have this basic black scrunchie just in case if I have my hair open and I want to tie them. So I always have this scrunchie ready with me inside my bag. Simple satin black one that was inside my bag. Nextly are these tissues from Miniso. These are super handy. I really need tissues all the time. So these are super handy for me, and I always keep them inside my bag. So yeah. So the next thing inside my bag is actually this lip gloss from Kiko Milano, and I love the packaging, you guys. This looks so classy, and that's how it looks. It has shimmer as well, so I really like the packaging. That's how it looks. I always keep a lip product inside my bag no matter what, because I really like my lips to be perfect. So I always keep a lip product inside my bag whenever I'm going out. So for now I've kept this one from Kiko Milano. Next thing inside my bag is actually a great hack for you guys if you like clicking pictures just like me. So I recently ordered this button from Amazon, and what it does is basically you just have to connect your phone's Bluetooth to this, and you can click pictures using this button. You just have to keep your phone somewhere and then just click the buttons, and yeah, your photo shoot will be done. You can just click the button and click your pictures from a distance. So now you don't have to set a timer on your phone to click your pictures. So this just comes super handy for me because my friends and I love to click pictures. So we just click the button and the pictures get clicked. And also guys, it's such a small size and it is so convenient to carry. So I think that's great. So the next thing inside my bag is actually a new addition inside my bag, which is this compact from Chanel. I've kept this just in case if I have to give myself a touch up, and also for the mirror, because this just looks so aesthetically pleasing, you guys. Just giving yourself a touch up like that. Okay, I'm just being too extra, but whatever. You guys got it, right? So yeah, that's what I've kept inside my bag, and I just love this compact from Chanel. And the next thing inside my bag is actually this Tangle teaser in this rose gold color. And this also comes super handy. So the next thing inside my bag is actually this roller from Juicy Couture, and it says I am Juicy Couture. And I love smelling good all the time. I have to smell good all the time. That is why I've kept this roller with me inside my bag. And this is so easy to carry as well. I love to carry things that are easy to carry but also really very useful. So that is what exactly you're gonna find inside my bag. So yeah. And I also have another perfume from Victoria's Secret, which is the Victoria's Secret Crush. And this is how it looks. So this has a spray as well. So the last thing inside my bag is actually the sanitary napkin, just for an emergency. So that was everything that was inside my day-to-day bag. Also guys, I'm doing a Q&A video because I'm about to hit 1k subscribers and I really want to interact with you all. So feel free to ask me anything and I'll be answering in the Q&A video. But for now, I'm ending the video over here. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.